Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel. I know it's been a while. It's because I haven't had a Mustang, but I did kind of go out and get a 2011 s197 Mustang GT. I've done some maintenance to it already. There's still a lot more maintenance that I need to do. So yeah, today I'm doing the plugs and then we're going to a car meet later. I didn't grab the rims, they were like that, but it's a GT Premium. The seat a little messy right here, but all right, let's get these spark plugs done. All right, so I started getting these off already. I mean, I already got the little oil breather, or whatever the hell you want to call that thing, off. But you know, currently I'm just doing preventative maintenance on this thing so that, you know, she's a little bit stronger and all that. But I think next check I'm gonna get coils for it, all 8 of them, but it's gonna be a major pain in my ass because they're expensive. But yeah, these little bolts right here are 8mm. Hey, and my hood wants to keep falling on there, so I don't even know where my damn prop is, if there's even one still on here. So, hey. Alright, I'm gonna pull a plug out and then show y'all what that's about. Alright, somebody could help me diagnose what the hell's going on with this, because I think they're just old and have a lot of miles on them. So this is the driver front. I think that's 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the 6-cylinder, I think, and my buddy's pulling out the 8th spark plug right now. So if somebody can help me out with this. So yeah. All right, well, I mean, pretty sure all of them are gonna look like this. I just started up, make sure it was smooth, you know, to make sure I didn't fuck nothing up or mess anything up. So yeah, I don't really know what to do with these at the moment, but yeah, she's just dirty, so I mean, probably throw some valve cleaner in there and get her all tidied up. Time to start on the other side. Yay. Alright, well, I got all 8 of them out. I just threw one of them because I couldn't get it out and it made me angry. So it's just not good, you know, but you know, it is what it is. About to start it up, make sure she runs smoothly, make sure I didn't mess nothing up. Give me 1 second. Alright, so initial start up. Yeah, no driver door to jar. Seems a lot smoother. Just got to do coils next. All right, this is all I got for y'all. Like, share, subscribe, and always have a great day.